In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add CC in Gmail. This is a simple yet handy feature that can improve your email communication by keeping the right people in the loop without having to list everyone in the main recipient field. To start, go ahead and open your Gmail account. Once you're logged in, you'll want to create a new email by clicking on the Compose button. This button is usually located on the upper left-hand side of your Gmail interface, and it's marked by a colorful plus icon, often in red or blue. After clicking, a new email window will pop up, which is where the magic happens. Now, let's focus on the To section of your email, where you'll normally type in the primary recipient's email address. But what if you want someone else to get a copy of the email as well, perhaps for informational purposes, without making them the main recipient? That's where the CC field comes into play. CC stands for carbon copy, harking back to the days of physical letters where you could make copies to send to additional people. To access the CC field in Gmail, look over to the right side of the To field. You'll see both CC and BCC options there. The BCC, or blind carbon copy, is another feature for when you want to send a copy of an email to someone without the other recipients knowing. For now, let's focus on CC. Click on the CC text and voila! The CC field will appear right below the To field, ready for you to input additional email addresses. By clicking on that CC link, you've now opened up a space where you can add as many people as you need. Simply type in their email addresses, separated by commas if you're adding more than one, and they'll receive your email just as if they were in the main To field. It's really that easy. Adding someone to the CC line is a great way to keep them informed without requiring a direct response. So, to recap, open your Gmail, click on Compose to draft a new email, look for the CC right next to the To field, click on it, and then type in your additional recipients' addresses in the newly appeared CC field. And that's all there is to it. You've mastered the art of using CC in Gmail, opening up new possibilities for better email communication. Thanks for tuning in, and if you found this walkthrough helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more easy-to-follow tech tutorials. Happy emailing!